new Nissan Z is going to be coming August the 17th. And the Z car is going to be revealed in the beautiful Big Apple, New York City. Nissan latest Z car has been a long time coming. 370Z has overstayed its visit. It's getting old. And you know what? You can't find many of them in dealerships these days. And the Z Proto Concept gave us a realistic look at the production Nissan Z. What it would look like despite numerous and other renderings. We finally saw the Proto Z. And it was fantastic. And it still is fantastic. The new Nissan Z in November. But good news is that the reveal will happen before this Nissan has confirmed officially that the car will be revealed in New York City August 17th. Now that means that there's just over 2 months to go before you can finally set eyes on the Toyota Super rival, the contender, the fighter. I also shared the teaser, but this is a little more than a photo and an 8-second animation of the Nissan Z logo on a black background with the reveal date below it. Let's go back to that. You can see the new two-piece split grille design that is a bit jarring in the renderings. I don't have the rendering here, but we can imagine how it's going to look. But that's the only thing that basically changed about that we know that basically changed from the outer appearance. So basically we all seen it. And here it is, just all in the flesh, just a little, it's going to be a bar right here. But it's still phenomenal. It says it's going to start at $35,000. And it's going to be powered by a twin-turbo V6, kicking out 400 horsepower. A 6-speed manual gearbox and a 9-speed automatic should be available. And they're all going to be confirmed in August when a new Nissan is revealed. So we're going to find out a lot more about this. This is Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe, and have a fantastic day.
Hey you guys, Z Automotive Reviews. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for coming to the channel. I appreciate you. Until then, we out.